I'm not a friend of a Bex. Zen. But alcohol artists, so we not fighting, we still playing song, but if you have manners, the man of bad people. And without him 100 blood, I don't want to cuss nobody over there. Without him 100 friends, they can't ramp with it. They can play one artist with a bad man in a real life. They can play one artist with a real gangster in a real life. We're bad in a real life.
Me could never agree.
If you love L.A. Lewis, keep you on your side. Represent you now.
Not free.
Represent.
Night is gone, but I'm still around. Time to have a wrong face.
I know that you can stop pussy DJ.
Straight from the heart and I feel not straight from the
Who talk the baddest? Yeah.
Not free.
1+1.
No. Hey, night is gone, but I'm still aware. Time shabba wrong, see a side with a wear. Patrick Ewing and Chris L.A. here. I'm straight from the heart and I feel no fake on here. No fake on here.
All who say good for free, I like people take it lightly. Tonight, I have to start the juggling song. Or I'm going to start now. Because since Ninja Man are one of the realest. The amount of people Ninja Man sell a foreign, the amount of money when Ninja Man give it. Cartel are the most fans in the now generation. Oji Banton are one of the most inspirational persons in the dancer. Big up all of my warrior behind bars. Big up all of my family and friends, and thugs, and cousin, and uncle, and grandfather. Somebody when you know when they are in jail, and you want them free, represent. Put in the BS for the sword!